Joey the Rat. I had one quick that I forget to say this another one. Why you keep on saying you got a studio and you this and you that? Everybody hating on you. Bro, you don't even have an apartment, let alone a studio. And a studio isn't going on the internet, stealing people's beats and then trying to steal their lyrics. That's not a studio. You know what that is? That's called stealing. Stealing. And then coming on YouTube trying to sound all tough. Try to come off tough. Even though you have absolutely nothing to your name. Nothing. You're not a rapper. Stop saying you rap. You're terrible at it, man. Stop saying that stuff. You should go to jail for that. For lying about being a rapper. I'm talking about pay homage and Jay-Z got more money than Jay-Z, spend more money than any of them. Stop lying. You have no money whatsoever. Bro, you have nothing. You have nothing. Sir, come on. You have nothing, bro. You are a pathetic, no family having, no money having, no idea of how to make money. You beg people. You beg everybody named mama for money. You lazy. You laziest person on this planet. You don't want to make no money. You ain't making no money. You never made no money, never will make no money. You what? You are a pathetic excuse for anything, bro. I'm talking about anything. You're a pathetic excuse for being just talking. That's how creepily bad you are. That's how everybody named mama just hates your guts, bro. You keep on coming on here, just keep running your mouth. Keep running your mouth, bro. Who's mad? You got me so confused. Who's mad? You're showing people those fake rings on your hands. And I think you should be mad at yourself for keep doing it. To be honest with you. Man. And, you're just a nasty dude, man. I just had to say that. Loser.